Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome to my home gym. So here we are, we're in my basement. For point of reference, my wood shop is over there in that corner of the basement. Up above that wall back there is my metal shop up in the garage. So here I have a Peloton bike. It's amazing, a piece of equipment, but when you're working hard on this thing, you really need to be able to cool off. So I've had these two fans set up here. They're on these big giant circular stands which are in the way when I'm trying to practice yoga in here on my days I'm not cycling. And so I decided to build this stand here for the two fans. So it gets them up off of the floor, gets them out of the way, positions them perfectly so I can just focus them right on myself when I'm working hard. This is made entirely from materials that have been upcycled from a used treadmill that I got for free, as well as some nice walnut boards, plywood with a walnut edging on the front, just that I had laying around the shop. I think this was an old tabletop that I got for free somewhere, so let's take a peek. So the structure of the table here is just made from the frame members from the treadmill. These are all welded together. This is just some angle iron. I've got adjustable feet on the bottom to get it nice and square and flat and level. The most important feature of this was these nice strong tubes here to hold these fans with little knobs to tighten them in place. Obviously I have space for storage of my shoes, and I'll put my wrenches and other things up on here. So I'm really pleased with how it turned out. If I were to do it again, a couple things I would change. I would make it a little bit wider. The intention was to push it up right up against the bike with the cutout here so that the fans would be in front of the screen. Right now with this width they're sort of in the way, so consider this a very advanced prototype. If I were to do another one in the future I would change that, but I'm really pleased with it. It's functional. I think it's really attractive in sort of a Mad Max kind of a style. So please follow along as I build it. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. In my experience, one of the keys to a successful project is to start with a detailed engineering drawing, ideally dimensioned down to the thousandth of an inch.
to give you the rhythm as often as I can today, and just in case you're rhythmically inclined. Alright, when you're ready, let's do something a little bit. Shake it out. See him tall, roll the shoulders out and around. Still 7-1, make sure we get some resistance on that wheel.